Hi there. Today's video we have this question: solve the quadratic equation by factoring. We have x minus the square root of x minus 2 is equals to 0, and we have to solve for x. Now the first step we're going to take is to substitute. So we can say let the square root of x be equals to u. Now since the square root of x can be equals to u, we can take the square of both sides, and our x will be equals to, and our x can be equals to u square. So when we bring down our equation, which is x minus the square root of x minus 2 is equals to 0, we are going to substitute the value of our x with u square. So first of all, we have u square minus u minus 2 is equals to 0. And obviously, we have u here because when you put u square under a square root, the square root is going to cancel the square. So when we finally factorize, we have bracket u plus 1 multiplied by u minus 2 is equals to 0. Now we have two values of u, which is u is equals to minus 1 and u is equals to 2. So when u is equals to minus 1, already we said our square root of x is equals to u. That is when we did our substitution. So we have our square root of x is equals to minus 1. Now the value of x, we are going to square both sides. Now when we square the square root of x, the square is going to cancel the square root. And when we square minus 1, since square is a positive function, the value of x will be equals to 1. Now when u is equals to 2, we have our square root of x is equals to 2. And again, we are going to square both sides. So here we have our x is equals to 4. So finally, the values of x are 1 and 4. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.